When we're doing pressure washing, it doesn't matter what the service is, we generally have three types of issues that we face. So the first one is issues you can see before you started cleaning. The second issue is issues that you've identified while you're cleaning. And the third issue is issues that are going to stop you from cleaning. It's your responsibility to document any issues that you face on the job, and it doesn't matter at what part of the process that you identify them. It can be, ideally, if there are issues, you want to find them before you complete the job, but sometimes you only see issues once you've actually started the cleaning. For example, roof cleaning. Once some of the moss starts coming away, you might identify cracked tiles or broken tiles. No worries, you just want to identify this, document it, and have it in a way to a video format so that you can share it with the person that needs to see it, basically. In our case, you want to send it to the WhatsApp chat that we have. So here's an example of an issue that we found on a job, and the issue wasn't quite straightforward once we'd done the cleaning. So here's how we would document it. Different styles of tiles, basically. You've got this type here, and then you've got that type, and it's the pattern isn't mixed very well. So it looks like red and then a darker going up. They're all cleaned. The moss is dead, but there's two different styles of tile. So in that video, it's clear that you can identify what the issue is. We can also see it from two different angles. We can see it up close and personal, and then we can also see it from a distance. And we do that so the person that receives it has perspective on where the actual issue is. In this case, there's like a bad match of tiles. So from a distance, it actually looks like the roof isn't quite clean. So we just want to be able to document that and have it so that we can communicate that with the customer. In this particular scenario, the customer wasn't in, so this was very, very handy. And we send that back into our WhatsApp chat, so we've got a good record of what had happened. The format that we use is in the chat, we will put what the issue is, like a brief description, the customer's name, and then the customer's first line of their address. And with that information, it's easy for us in the WhatsApp group to be able to use the search function to find these videos and issues quickly and easily. The other benefit of having it in WhatsApp is that we can forward it over to the customer in a nice, simple and easy way. So that's how we document issues for our business. This is the process. Don't forget to like the video if you want to see more videos like this. If you like these process videos, let us know.